Do you know many people are having trouble with the check fuel cap warning on their Honda Odyssey? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Stop engine. Stop the engine of your Honda Odyssey. Step 2. Check fuel cap. Check if the fuel fill cap is fully installed. If it's not, loosen and retighten it until it clicks at least once. Step 3. Restart engine. Restart the engine of your vehicle. Step 4. Drive normally. Drive the vehicle as usual for several days to see if the message goes off. Step 5. Check for issues. If the message still appears after several days, there might be another issue with the evaporative system. Following these steps should help you disable the check fuel cap warning on your Honda Odyssey when there is no issue with the cap. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.